Hi, in the lectures of number series concept, now we will see different product series. This will definitely help you in all the competitive examinations. Okay, so let's see the question 6, 12, 36, 144, 720. I told you in the beginning, whenever you come across the number of series which is in increasing order, it may be the difference is large. It may be a multiplication series, it may be a addition series, okay, it may be a square series, it may be a cube series. But if you closely observe, the difference here is 6, the difference here is 24. The difference got increased rapidly. So instead of going in this way, so why don't you try in this way? 6 2s are 12. 12 how many times? 12 3s are 36. So 36 into 4 144 into 5 is going to be 720. So this is how your, so next you have to multiply with what? 6. So 720 into 6. So if you multiply with 6, you will get your answer very easily. So if you multiply with 6, it's going to be 4320. Okay, so this is how you can get your answer. So whenever you come across a product series, definitely the difference is going to be very large and you can see the different kind of numbers. Let's see one more question. 4, 8, 32, 192, 1536. So 4 how many times? 4 2s 8. Because the difference are very large. It's not an addition series, it's not a subtraction series. Okay, so 8 how many times? 8 4s are 32. So next has to be multiplied with what? 6. Next has to be multiplied with what? 8. Because you are understanding, the number is multiplying with even number. So into 2, into 4, into 6, into 8. And it has to be multiplied with what? Into 10. So then your answer will become what? 1, 5, 3, 6 and a 0. So that result your answer. Okay, so answer for this question is what? 1, 5, 3, 6 and a 0. Okay, so this is how the product series will come into the picture. So now let's see 3 and 3. What's happening in this series? The difference was 0. If you look at 3 and 9, the difference is plus 6. But 9 and 45, the difference is very large. So try for the product one. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 9 5s are 45. So 135, you need to ask your mind. So 135 is what? Odd number. So next you have to multiply with what? 7. Next you have to multiply with what? 9. So 315 into 9. So 9 5s are 45, 4 will carry, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 4 13 and 1 will carry, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28. So your answer will become 2835. So this is how you need to answer your things. But and in the answer options, if you have only one option which is ending with 5, then only that's going to be your answer. Okay, because 315 into 9, because 9 5 is 45. But when there is a 5, okay, if you are multiplying with an odd number, definitely you will get unit digit as 5. So that's how you need to answer your questions. Okay, let's go to the next question. 2, 4, 12, 60, 420. Look at the difference. The difference are very large. Okay, so 2, 4. So can I write into 2? Yes. 4 and 12. Can I write into 3? Yes. 12 how many times? 5. Okay, next 7, because 7 6 is 42. Guys, if you look at here, into 2, into 3, into 5 and if you are going in this way, the job is going to be very easy for you. 2, 3, 5, 7 are what? Prime number. So next has to be multiplied with what? 11. So if you multiply 420 into 11, so that's where your answer. Okay, because 420 into 10, 4200. You have to be very good with your skills. And 420 will get added, then 4620. So that will give your answer. That will give your answer. Okay, so that's how you need to understand your the product series. You have to multiply very fastly. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, 2 4 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 32. Guys, if you closely observe, so let's say into 2 again, but this is not into 2. If it is into 2, the number has to be 16. So this is not the logic. Okay, if you check the difference is what here? Plus 2, plus 4, and here the difference is 24. So nowhere with addition. So then think like this. 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32. Then your answer is going to be what? 32 into 8. That will give your answer. So 32 into 8 is going to be what? 256 is going to be your answer. So this is how you need to, get your answer very easily. Okay. So observation is very, very important when you are solving the product, the number series basically. Observation is very, very important. Hope everybody understood this thing. Okay, let's try to solve one more question. 6, 35, 143, 323, 667. When you are looking at these numbers, it's definitely not with the additions. Okay, if you check the differences, you will not get your answer. Yes, if you closely observe, can I write 6 as 2 into 3? Can I write 35 as 5 into 7? Can I write 143 as 11 into 13? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are what? Prime numbers. Okay, so next must be what? 17 into 19. Okay, next has to be what? The consecutive prime numbers. So 23 into 25 is not a prime, 27. So 29. Okay, next has to be what? Next prime numbers. 31 is a prime? Yes. 33? No. 35? No. 37 is a prime? Yes. So the next result is going to be 31 into 37. That will result you, 1147. So this is how you need to answer your things. Hope everybody understand the concept. Sometimes some difficult questions will come. How I recognized easily? Because I know the products, multiplications. Because if you practice a lot, definitely you will understand very easily. So that's what the most important point in this particular thing. Hope everybody understood. Okay, let's try to solve the next variety, which are product and difference series. All these series definitely will come into your examinations. You have to be thorough with this. Okay, let's try to solve this question. 3, 5, 15, 19, 95, 101, 707. Look at the difference here, guys. 3 to 5, I can say plus 2. But 5 to, it's plus 10. It is plus 4. But look at the difference. The difference is very large. Then you have to go for any other approach. Guys, if you look at these numbers, it is plus 2. And these numbers, it is plus 4. And this is what? Plus 6. Okay. Guys, if you closely look at here, 5 and 15 is going to be what? Into 3. And here it is what? Into 5. So plus 2 into 3. Plus 4 into 5. Plus 6 into 7. Then only it is 707. Next you have to add what? 9. So 707 plus 9. So that will give your answer. That will definitely give your answer. So 707 plus 9, that will give you 715 as your answer. Hope everybody understood this particular question. Okay, let's go to the next question. 3, 9, 21, 45, 93. Yes, if you closely observe 3, 9, 21, 45, 93. Guys, I can write this is into 3, but 21 is not a multiple of 9, so you can't multiply it. Let's check with the difference. What is the difference here? The difference here is 6. The difference here is 12. And the difference here is 9 plus 15, which is what? 15, 24. Okay. And what's going to be the next difference? The next difference is 48. Yeah. 6, 12, 24, 48. Into 2, into 2, into 2. So the next difference is going to be 48 into 2 is going to be what? Is it 48? Yeah, 48 double. So 80, 96. So 93 plus 96, 90, 90, 180, and this is what, 189. So 189 is going to be our answer. So 6, 12, 24, 48, 96. So the difference is increasing double. Okay, the difference is increasing double. But we are talking about the concept of product series. Why can't we solve with the product? Yes. 3 2s are 6 plus 3. 9 into 2 plus 3, because 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 3. Next, into 2 plus 3. Into 2 plus 3. So 93 into 2 plus 3. Okay, 93 plus 93, 186 plus 3 will give you 189. So you can do both logics. Both logics are valid here. Both logics are valid here. Okay, let's go to the next question. 3, 11, 35, 107, 323. Guys, look at here. 35 to 107, almost 3 times. 100 to 323, almost 3 times. So 3 times is happening. So let me check with 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 is what? 11. 11 3s are 33 plus 2. So into 3 plus 2. Into 3 plus 2. Into 3 plus 2. Okay, this is also into 3 plus 2. Okay, 900, 960, 900, 960, 969. Okay, plus 2 will give you, 971. So that's how you can get your answer. Because how I have calculated, because 300 into 3, which is 900. 20 into 3, which is 60. 3 into 3, which is 9. This is easy, no? Okay, so that will give you 969. I need to add plus 2. So that result you 971. Okay, that result you what? 971. Or you can check the difference and you can get your answer if the difference is having a proper logic. So that's how you can get your answers. Okay, hope everybody understood this. Okay, let's go to the next question. 4223615 dash. Nice question. Guys, 422 minus 2, and here 0 is the difference, and here plus 1 is the difference, and here plus 3 is the difference, and here plus how much? Plus 9 is the difference. Are you getting any logic here? Not really. But if you closely observe, so this will result you into 2. This will result you into 0.5. This will result you into 1. This will result you into 1.5, because 1.5 into 2 only what? 3. So 6 into 2.5. So next would be 15 into 3. 15 into 3 is going to be what? 45. So that's how you can get your answers. Okay, so think logically. So answer will become what? 45. Okay, so that's how you can get your answer. So the next question. 7, 10, 24, 44, 92. So let's see. So what is the difference here? The difference is 3. What is the difference here? The difference is 14. Okay, what is the difference here? The difference is going to be 20. Okay, what is the difference is? The difference here is 44 and 92. The difference is going to be 6, 50 and 42. So the difference is going to be 48. Let me check the difference between the difference. Did I get any logic or not? Let's see. 14 and 3. The difference is what? 11. So here the difference is going to be how much? 6 only. Here the difference is going to be again very large. So how to handle this question? Because here the difference will become what? 20, and this will become 28 again. Okay, are you getting any logic here? No. Okay, if you are not getting any logic, let's try in any other way. So 7, 10, 24, 44, 92 and dash. So multiplication, anything with multiplication, 7 into 1 plus 3. Are you getting? Yes. Into 2 plus 4. 10 into 2, 20 plus 4. If you multiply with 3, okay, that will become 60. Okay, that is going to become what? 60. So that's not your answer. Okay, that's not your answer. Okay, then how to handle this particular question? Okay, 7. 7 is going to be 2 cube minus 1. So this is, I can write 3 square plus 1. Okay, so this is, can I write 5 square minus 1? Yes. So this is going to be what? 2, 3, 5 and 7. So 7 square plus 1. Okay, 7 square plus 1 is going to be what here? 7 square plus 1 is going to be 49 plus 1. It's going to be 50. So this is how, this is also not getting, that series is also not giving your answer. Okay. But what is the way to handle when all doors are closed? What is the best way to handle? Look at the options and try to get your answer. So if you look at the option which is 180, so anything related to that, so it's almost double. 92, yeah, almost, not almost double, yeah, it's almost double. Okay, try to get your answer with your reverse approach. Okay, let's go to the next question. Product and difference in series. Okay, let's try to solve this. 6, 12, 30, 56, 132. Guys, if you closely observe, the difference is increasing rapidly. Guys, I can say 132 and 56, 30, 12, 6. Here the plus 6 is the difference. Next it's going to be increasing. It's not a multiplication one. Guys, can I write this as 2 cube minus 2? Okay, 2 cube minus 2 or 2 square plus 2, because cubes are not coming to the picture. 2 square plus 2, this is what? Yeah, this is what? 3 square plus 3. Yes, this is what? 5 square plus 5. Yes, this is what? 6 square plus this is what? 7 square plus 7. Yes, 11 square plus 11. So which is n cube. I can write prime cube plus prime. So next would be what? 11 square plus 11. So that will give your answer. So that will give you 182 as your answer. 13 square plus 13. 13 square plus 13, 169 plus 13, that will give your answer. Hope everybody understood. Let's go to the next question. 2, 10, 30, 68, 130, 222. Guys, look at here. These are regarding your cubes. Okay, so this is 1 cube. Okay, this is 2 cube, 8 plus 2. This is 3 cube plus 3. So this is going to be what? 1 cube plus 1. So this is what? 4 cube plus 4. So this is 5 cube plus 5. 6 cube plus 6. So next would be 7 cube plus 7. So 343 plus 7. So that will give your answer, which is 350. Okay, hope everybody understood. Okay, 0, 6, 24, 60, 122, 10. When you come across 122, 10, almost the gap is very large. So this is 1 cube. As we discussed in our first session, 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3. This is what? 4 cube minus 4. So 5 cube, 6 cube. So answer is going to be 7 cube minus 7. So that will give your answer. Okay. So 7 cube minus 7, which is 336. So if you look at this particular question, 5, 10, 26, 50, 122. Guys, this is going to be what here? Anything related with cubes? Let's see. So this I can write 2 square plus 1. This is 3 square plus 1. This is 5 square plus 1. this is 7 square plus 1, this is 11 square plus 1. So next would be 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are what? Prime numbers. So next would be 13 square plus 1. So 13 square is what? 169 plus 1, that will give you 170. Okay, that will give you what? 170 as your answer. Okay, that will give you as 170 as your answer. So this completes our video of the number series, the different varieties of product and different series. Okay, hope everybody understood this particular session. Thank you.